Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome to science class, okay? Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Okay. I know you can't talk because you are muted. Okay, Nana? So, hope everybody are fine. Now, welcome to our science, 7th class science. Now, today we are in which lesson, Nana? Did you remember the lesson name? Yeah, time, motion and time. What is the lesson name? Motion and time. Okay, children. What is the lesson name? Tell me what is the lesson name? Motion and time. Okay. Now, in motion and time, we have learned about different types of motions. What are they? Did you remember all? So first I wanted to test whether how many of you have remembered how many types of motions we have. How many types of motion that we have learned. Prajwal Reddy, unmute yourself. Prajwal, unmute.
Teacher.
Yes, good afternoon, Prajwal.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you, Nana?
Fine, teacher.
Okay. Now, which lesson is going on, you know?
Yes, teacher.
On your video, Nani.
Teacher.
Hello, Prajwal.
Teacher.
Can you explain about types of
Teacher.
motion? Yes, good afternoon. I can hear you.
Two types of.
Only two types.
Okay.
How many types of motions
Two
are
types
there?
of motion. Yes,
Only two
teacher.
types of. Only two types.
Two types, teacher.
Only two types of motions are there.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. In that, how many types of motion that I have explained in the class? Prajwal, are you
Uniform
clear?
motion and non-uniform motion.
Then inka types of
Teacher.
motions I'm asking. Types of motions I'm asking.
Uniform motion and non-uniform.
That is different, Nana. Oscillatory motion,
Observing the
rotatory motion, translatory motion. That all I did not explain.
Okay.
Do you
Okay,
have
teacher.
textbook with you? Textbook is there with you.
Yes, teacher.
Show me your textbook. Very good. Very good. Very good, Nana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Then
Okay.
can you say what is motion? Can you define motion?
Motion is a moving object is called.
Very good,
Teacher?
Nana. The action of process of moving an object or being moved also is called motion. Excellent. Very good.
Motion.
Very good response.
Okay, teacher.
Prajwal?
Teacher.
After the class, are you reading the textbook, Nana?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good boy. First clap yourself. Now I want to test another child. I will give you a chance for another participant. Good boy.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome, Nana. You are welcome. Now mute yourself, Nana. Gopi Chand. P. Gopi Chand, unmute. P. Gopi Chand. P. Gopi Chand, are you there? Very good. P. Gopi Chand. Good afternoon, Gopi.
Yes, teacher.
Good afternoon, Gopi. Gopi, how are you? Click on your mic first. I can see you, Gopi. Very good boy. First, click on your mic. Talk to me. Gopi, what happened? What is the problem? Gopi, can you see me?
No, teacher.
Yeah, very good. Now I can hear you. Gopi, show me a textbook. A good boy. Now, which lesson is going on, Nana?
Um,
Can you please explain the lesson name? You can't read. Your book is there now with you. Just you read out the lesson name.
Metros and time, teacher.
Huh?
Metros and time.
What is the lesson name? Motion and time.
Motion and time.
Yes. Motion and time. How many types of motions I explained in the class?
2 types, teacher.
2 types. No, 2 types. There are many types of motions are there, but I explained about 4 types of motions. What are they? Did you remember?
No, teacher.
Why? Moving a cradle. Okay, I will give you one question. You know the swing, Uyala telsa?
Tells, teacher.
Yes. The moving the swing is which type of motion, Anna? Is it oscillatory motion or rotatory motion or curvilinear motion? What?
Rotatory motion, teacher.
Rotatory motion. How can you say it is rotatory motion? Because it will not move around, no, Nana. Panchi, imagine the swing, ఉయ్యాల ముందుకు వెనకకి ఊగుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా. Then how can you give the statement that it is a circulatory motion? It's not. It's not correct. Anytime did you use that cradle? ఉయ్యాల ఊగావా ఎప్పుడైనా? Then how it will move forward and backward? Yes, no. How it will move? It will move forward and backward. To and fro motion I explained. That means you are not attentive at that class, right?
Yes, teacher. I am attended only today, teacher.
Today only. Very good. So what you have to do is open the textbook. First
Yes.
read all the points one time. So you
Okay.
will not understand anything. Second time you read, third time you will be able to understand properly. Don't worry, don't get tension. Buy the notebook and try to write the fair notes. Then read out daily once. Then you will able to read. Okay, beta?
Okay, teacher.
Reading textbook is always a good habit. Because you are 7th grade child, all the questions will come from the, not only for this Gopi, I am talking to all the participants. So if you read the textbook, you are ready to answer all the questions. Most
Okay.
of the questions, not most, all questions will come from only the textbook. So children, everybody understood? Yeah. So Gopi, try to read the textbook.
Yes,
Nice
teacher.
talking to you, Nana. Mute
Yes.
yourself. Very good.
Yes, teacher.
Say thank you, Gopi.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good. So children, now let us start our class. So I wanted to share the screen. That's why I closed my video. So let me share the screen. Before start sharing the screen, children, we have learned about different types of motions in this lesson. Today, children, everybody try to write in the running notes. I can see you all your faces. I can see you all your faces. Try to copy what are we going to discuss in today's class. Okay, Nana? Today we are going to learn about speed and time. Abhirama Krishna, please. Don't see here and there. Thank you. Abhirama? Yeah, okay. Today what are we going to learn? Slow and fast motion and speed, time. About these three topics we are going to learn in deep. Hope everybody clear of today's plan. Today what are we going to learn, Nana? Slow and fast motion, then about speed and how time will be affect the speed. Hope everybody clear. Still you have any doubts in the previous session, you can ask me, I will clarify your doubt. If you have if you did not have any doubts, I'll move on to the next topic. Can I? Children, are you all comfortable? Rajanesh, Abhirama, Krishna, Naveen, there are so many children. I can see you, Chetan, Lokesh, Manideep, Samir. Okay, very good. Your pictures are looking like you are attentive at the class. Thank you very much. So, children, is it easy for you? Can I share your textbook or only some images? Tell me that which is your comfortable. Just you raise your hand. Can I share your textbook or other pictures? Your textbook, can I share the screen? Thank you, Chetan and Samir. Very good. Why, Rajanesh, you don't want textbook sharing? Okay, tell me what you want. Pictures you want? Okay, but you are somewhat clever boy. You are able to understand if I share the pictures, but there are many children are using. Of course, all the government and private schools are following the textbook. No. That's why I'm sharing the textbook. Why? The reason behind sharing textbook is there are some what we call activities to complete. In the textbook they have given there are some homework, classwork activities. That is the reason. If possible, I'll try to share another pictures also. So thank you very much. So let us begin the class now. Excuse me, children. I am starting the screen share now. So it will take some seconds. You don't worry. Just children, please just get ready with your textbook and you be ready for this. Yeah. So children, can you see the screen, Gopi? Can you see the screen, children? Just to show me your thumb. Naveen, can you see the screen? Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, children. What are we going to learn today? Slow and fast motion. Okay, what is the slow and fast motion? Why do we need to learn about it? How do we, excuse me, how do we know whether the motion is slow or fast? Okay, then how can we compare between the two objects are moving or two people are moving or any other programs that they are conducting, whether one is completing fast, the another completing slow? How do we estimate this? That we are going to learn. So in the textbook there is a box like this comparing the motion of objects. So please everybody, you have to complete this. One I'll explain. One I will explain. So if we need to compare, suppose if when we serve the food, suppose samosa is served among two children. One will eat fast and one will eat slow. Am I correct, children? One will finish the lunch fast, one will complete the lunch slow. Why? Then how do we know this? How we will say just I have completed fast, I have completed slow. Like this we will discuss. Am I clear? So there are pairs of objects in the motion. So see this first one, aeroplane and train. Comparison is there, Nana. Why I am explaining this? Means this type of question they will ask in the exam. So you will be able to compare. See this aeroplane and train, A and B. Among these two, children, am I clear to you? Aeroplane and train, among these two, which will move fast, which will move slow? So here they have given the statement also. How can we decide whether the motion of the body is slow or fast? So usually aeroplane is the fast, train is slow. Compared to aeroplane, train is slow. Do you all agree with me, children? Yes. Do you all agree with me? If we compare aeroplane and train, aeroplane will go fast. And see, bus, auto rickshaw and rickshaw. When you compare this A and B, which will move faster? Bus and auto rickshaw will move fast and this rickshaw will move slowly. Now, bicycle and scooter. When you compare this bicycle and the scooter, the bicycle is the slow motion and the scooter is the fast motion. And when you compare this elephant and cheetah, two animals, which will move fast? Obviously, cheetah will move fast because it is the fastest runner. Yes or no, children? The cheetah will run very fast. Everybody know that. Now, compare A and B, dog and buffalo. Which will move fast? Buffalo or dog? Dog. Okay, buffalo walks very slowly. It can't run fast because it have heavy body. Am I clear? Now, last one, man and horse. When you compare we ourselves, man and horse, who will move fast? Horse. Okay, children. So, like this, which is fast, which is slow, like this, we have to compare. Now, I am going to explain about. There are some speech bubbles. See, there are some speech bubble among the people. See, hey, could you please tell me what the time is? I forgot to put my watch today. Why do we need to inquire the time? Children, why I am sharing this speech bubbles? Why I need to explain? Means, see, time affects our daily life. Do you all agree with me? Why suppose when you are ready to go to any district or any place, suppose you are waiting for a train, you are waiting for any specialized time goods. Yes or no, children? Any time, every second the time buses will arrange? No. There are some particular times will be mentioned in the bus stations, railway stations, airports. Suppose you are moving to another country, your flight will come at any time. Children, tell me that. Suppose I am going at 10 o'clock. Others will come at 10:30. Like this, every half an hour flight will be arranged for one place. No, it's not like that. There is a particular time is mentioned for the vehicles, like goods. Am I clear to you? So at that time, we will try to arrange in time in the airports, bus stations, railway stations, etc. Okay, children? So like this, time will affect the motion. So everybody understood, I hope. Suppose I want to discuss you one activity. Suppose there is a running race in the school. Children, all of you listen carefully. Now I can't see you, your faces. Everybody sit straight and listen. There is a running race in the school. Okay. So there is a running race in the school between so many members, like 5 members, 10 members, they will conduct. Am I clear? Then suppose A student will run very fast. B student is suppose The time is mentioned at 10:30. At 10:30, the running race started. Then there will be an end line. You know, children, starting line and there is end line. Suppose the person, all the participants started at 10:30. Okay. Then 10:30. Excuse me, Nana. I'll share the screen once again. Okay, the running race started at 10:30 among A, B, C, D children. You imagine that A, B, C, D. There are 4 students A, B, C, D. So A student will reach the finished line at 10:35. Everybody clear? A student reached the line at 10:35. B student reached at 10:34. C student at 10:32. Then D student reached at 10:36. Then who do you think will reach the fast? Who is the winner among these 4 members? Who is the winner? Student A, student B, student C, or student C? Student C, because 10:32 he reached the finish line. So how do we know this? Because when we use the time, we can say that so and so person is the winner in so and so games. Everybody clear? Still any doubts, Nana? How can we compare? Now do you understand? And now estimating time. How do we estimate the time? See, look at the image. How do we estimate the time? We estimate the time by using the clock. Suppose now there are 2 students. There are 2 students started to school at the same time at 8 a.m. 2 students are nearby, same places. They are neighbors. They started at 8 a.m. from their houses. Okay, children. But one student started, suppose A student started on bicycle and B student started on bike. Suppose his father is dropping in the school. So hope everybody clear what I am trying to say. Children, now I am going to explain about estimating time. How do we measure the estimating time? I am explaining. Okay, estimation I am explaining. Listen carefully. There are 2 children started for school. A student started on bicycle. B student is going on bike. Okay, children. Now, who do you think will reach the first? Who will reach the school first? You will say that B student, ma'am. Why? Because he is going on his father vehicle. So bike will move very fast compared to bicycle. That's why B student will reach the school first. How can you say this? Because speed and time is comparing here. That's why we can estimate. Yeah, generally he is going on bike, he will reach first. We will estimate like that. Am I clear, children? Yes. So we can easily estimate A and B student will reach the school. Who will reach first? Who will reach slow? Yes or no, children? Now, how do we find the difference of time taken? Suppose at 8 o'clock they started, I say. Then B student will reach at 8:20. Then at what time this another person will reach? I mean, A student will reach the school. How much time will it take? More 10 minutes or 5 minutes extra. That means I came to, suppose somebody asked, what about student A? No, he is coming on bicycle. Maybe he will arrive at 8:25. The B student will say, how can he estimate? By seeing that time, he may come at within 5 minutes. So like this, we estimate the time. Clear, children? So nowadays, what type of clocks are we using to estimate the time? We have so many instruments. Yes or no, children? There are some electronic clocks, digital clocks, quartz clocks, etc. to measure the time. Okay, children. A few decades ago, people used pendulum. You know, pendulum. There is a bell in the middle, and it moves to move in oscillatory motion. I explained. I have shown the image also. Okay, children. Now, there is one important thing that I am going to say: the units of measurement. What I am going to say now? Units of measuring time. And units of measurement. In units of measurement, I will tell, just all of you listen and note down. Children, like 1 minute is equal to how many, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, Nana? 60 minutes. 1 week is equal to, if you want, you can write, otherwise I'll show you the picture, you can copy it. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. 1 week is equal 7 days. 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. And what is mean by fortnight? 1 fortnight is equal to how many days? 1 fortnight means what, children? Everybody should know. 1 fortnight, it is a unit. It is unit of measurement. A fortnight is equal to 14 days. That means it is equal to 2 weeks. Fortnight pronunciation, it is a unit. Okay, children? And 1 fortnight is equal to 14 days. The 14 days means it is almost 14 days. That means 2 weeks. 1 week is equal to 7 days. That means 14 days means it is divided into 2 weeks. Yes or no? Then 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days. Then season means what? You know. How many seasons do we have? 4 seasons. What are they? Spring, summer, winter, and rain. Then each season is divided into how many months? Each season is divided into 3 months. Yes or no, Nana? So like this. But then what is mean by annum? What is mean by annum is equal to year. Okay, children? These are also units of measure. Suppose they may ask you in 1 word question, or sometimes they may ask 4 mark question also. Okay, children. So you should know what is the 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, 1 week is equal to how many days, 1 fortnight is equal to what. So 1 fortnight is equal to 14 days, and it is divided into 2 weeks. Okay, children. Then how many types of seasons do we have? And the seasons are divided into how many months? This all you should know. So still you have any doubt? Yeah. Now measuring of time using the stop clock. Children, you know stop clock. The stopwatches, the stop clocks are used when any games are conducting, any competition is going on between 2 people. Okay, they will start the time and they will observe who will reach, who will finish their target first. Any task is given to any 2 people or 4 people or group of people, it is essential to find the time taken to finishing. Okay, children. So stopwatches are there in the mobiles also, you know. In mobiles, in some digital clocks, etc. We have this stop clock option. Okay, children. Clear this? Now, suppose now any event, suppose ringing of the long bell in the school. You know, children, when we have regular school timings, we had a bell. Of course, a teacher will use watch, even though we can't ourselves see the time, and we can't close a teacher can't close the period of himself or herself. there is a standard like a bell. The bell will ring. At the time, all teachers will come out and they will move on to their particular period into the particular classes. They will follow the bell. You know this bell? Ringing of a long bell in the school. Duration of time, how much time it will take, the ringing of the bell, how many seconds, like that. Okay, now completion of prayer song. You know prayer song, how many time, minutes or seconds it will take, children? You should know 52 seconds it takes to time to complete. Now running race. Okay, 200 meters by your friend in the school ground, how much time, like this. These are some examples. These are just some examples. You can connect in your daily life any situation. Any situation you can compare how much time it will take to finish. Suppose your mother will, when you are feeling hungry, when mother started cooking, ma, please, I am getting so much hungry. Tell me how much time it will take time. Suppose she is preparing upma. Ma, please tell me how much time it will take time. Then mother will say, Nana, just 5 minutes. Then when she will finish the task exactly 5 minutes, 4 minutes or 6 minutes, she will estimate the time and she will say, Nana, just 5 minutes you wait. Sir, no children, almost your mothers will be discussed with you. Nana, just 5 minutes, just 10 minutes, just 2 minutes, like that they will tell. Okay, for that also we will not keep the stopwatch and we will not see. They will estimate the time like this. Nana, 2 నిమిషాలు ఆగు. Nana, 5 నిమిషాల్లో టిఫిన్ రెడీ చేస్తా. Like that they will tell. Am I clear, Nana? So this is a time duration will taken between the task, between the work people will do. Okay, children. Now, see the units of time. See, children, if you want to copy, you can write. I know many participants are there in the class. So those who did not have textbook, all of you write this, and I will give you 2 minutes time to complete this. All of you complete this. Now it is 12:30, 12:32, I will close this. Children ready? Start. Time table of units of time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Write this. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Please, children, those who did not have textbook, you complete this table first. Don't waste your time. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Somebody is unmuted, children, keep mute yourself. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 10 decades is equal to 1 century. And 10 centuries is equal to 1 million. 1 millennium. Children, complete this. More 1 minute left. More 1 minute time is there. If you complete this, I'll explain about how speed will affect our daily life and how speed will affect the motion. Okay, all these things we are going to learn now. Till some seconds are there, children. Make it faster. Yeah, the time up. So now just you listen. Stop writing and listen. Children, look at the image. Can you just guess what are these? Where did you find this type of pictures? Just observe them. Where we find these meters? What are these meters? Those are looking like a meters. What meters are those? What was that red color symbol? So maybe idea came into your mind. Yes or no? Very good, children. Now, many objects in the world are using that are moving. Yes or no, children? To compare how fast they are moving, we need to know their speed. If we don't know the
Please. ಏನೇನವಲ್ಲ
sorry for the disturbance, Nana. Okay, fine. See that. Okay, Nana. So, see, children. Excuse me for the disturbance. Yeah. The shown images are we find on bikes, cars, etc. So these two are called as speedometer and odometer. Okay, children, these are the two speed instruments. Around the world, we all use same. Okay. Now you may have observed the speedometer in the motor car, which tells us how fast the car is traveling. So why it is important for us to know? Why if there is no speedometer is there if you are riding the car, what happens? Nothing. There is no speedometer for car, there is not for auto rickshaw. Yes or no? Then why for motor cars especially they will arrange this type of meters inside it? There is a reason, children. Because how much speed we are maintaining, that we should know. Okay, children, see, you may have observed the speedometer in motor cars, which will tell us how fast the car is traveling. Usually, the odometer in the vehicle is shown distance traveled. See, the distance traveled and the time taken, they will tell. Now, in the kilometers and the speedometer, the speed of the journey in the kilometers per hour. Okay, children, then it will show the reading also. How many kilometers a bike traveled today? Suppose I have taken the bike, I lent bike from my friend. I said that just 2 minutes I'll go here and I'll come. By the time he can observe the reading of his odometer because it will show the distance traveled. ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళాడో తెలుస్తుంది. How much distance he traveled. The odometer will tell. The odometer will show us the distance traveled in the kilometers. Suppose he traveled 10 kilometers and he says that, hey, just I went here and I came just for 2 minutes. I used your vehicle like that. If we tell lies also, we can identify, hey, don't tell lies. You went this much distance because I have already observed my odometer. It was there in this reading and now it is showing. See, in the middle, there are some numbers, children, notice 0120182. These are all the what we call these kilometers, how much far he traveled. Okay. So this is speedometer and odometer images. Children, now you understand why speed is important. If we don't know the speed control, it is very problematic for the people who are around the road and also for the driver. So speedometer is important to know the speed and at the same time how much odometer also is essential, how much kilometers we are traveling. Okay. So these two are important. See, there is a reading between these numbers. It will move, it will show the reading. At the same time, you can see the on the petrol also E and F. Full tank and it when it comes to E, there is a red color light. It means it is coming to the empty. So the reading will be there. Suppose if there is no meter like that, there is no meter is arranged like that in the vehicles, then how do we know the petrol sign of petrol is there or not in the bike, in the car, in etc. any other motor vehicle? So that's why this speedometer and odometer are arranged in the vehicles. Clear, children? So thus we can define speed of any objects as the distance traveled by the time taken. So 1 hour lo nenu Karimnagar ki vellipoyanu, 2 hours lo Godavari ki vellipoyanu. Like that we will say. Okay, children, the distance also we will say, Amma, 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers we came within 1 hour means how much speed you came. Like that we will discuss. Children, yes or no? Generally, you will also say that your neighboring places, suppose your grandma houses, ma, it will take only just half an hour time. No, you will tell. Yes or no, children? Half an hour, 30 kilometers, like that you will say. That means what are you saying? Your time you are saying, and the distance you travel also you are saying. Suppose your father will come from his office. If he is in the 20 kilometers far, he came 10 minutes. Nana, how much fast you came? That means you came so much speed. Don't travel in speed. You may there may be any accident like that. You will say. So everybody, you connect the situation to your daily life. Yeah, no? The time taken and the distance traveled also here we are explaining.
అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
So yes or no, children, you understand? Everybody clear? Yeah. Now still you have any doubt, just ask me, children. Today we have learned about estimated time and speed and time, how it will affect, and units of time and measurements of time. This all we have learned about speedometer, about odometer, and this all we have learned. Still you have any doubt, just you ask me. There is only 1 minute time left, Nana. It is 12:39. Sorry for the disturbance, Nana. There is a call. It's okay. No problem. Then tell me, Asma, any doubt? Asma, sit properly. Sahasra, sit properly. V Sahasra. Can you hear me? So in tomorrow's class, we will discuss about this less than 5 minutes. I will ask you some questions. You have to complete. So today you read this lesson completely, thoroughly. Then I will give you homework in the next class. Everybody understood, Nana? Today, what is your homework? Reading of this total lesson, motion and time. Okay, then we will have a clear discussion in the next period about this lesson. If you have any doubts, I will clarify and I'll give you some homework questions. Harshini. Understood, Harshini? Asma. Children, still any doubts? What is your homework? Are you clear? Clear, Nana? So if you have textbook, in the textbook page number 41, there are green color keywords are there. That keywords you write 3 times in your classwork book. That is your homework. And you have to read this lesson thorough, each and every point. Then you ask me in the next session. And I will give you some homework questions to write. Okay, children? Still any doubts? Are you clear about today's homework? Write the keyword 3 times, each one very, very neatly. Nikhil, thank you. Abhinama Krishna. Okay, good. Next, still. Stop eating, Varshit. This is not time for eating. Yeah, okay, Nana, time up. So we will discuss in the next class about your doubts. Almost this lesson is comes to an end. So we will discuss about the homework questions, fair note questions, and any doubts in this lesson you can ask me. If time permits, we will start the new lesson. Otherwise, we will discuss till this lesson only. Hope everybody completed the 3 lessons fair notes. Tomorrow, I will check your fair notes also. Clear, Nana? Okay, time up, Nana. So read lesson properly. The time up, can I leave the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good afternoon, children. How are you all? So, welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. So, today we are going to discuss about simple equations. Aruna Jyoti. Aruna Jyoti, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Jyoti.
Good afternoon,
Have you
sir.
done your homework?
Yes, sir. Sure.
I can't hear your voice. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Can you hear my voice? Okay, good. Okay, children, today we are going to discuss about simple equations. So in previous class, we have discussed what is simple equation. Okay, and the aim of the topic is knowing about simple equations and solving exercise from 3.1 to 3.3 problems. Okay, and the agenda is introduction about simple equations, solving equations by trial and error method, solving equations without transposing method, solving equations by transposing method, and solving word problems. Okay, so in previous classes, so we have discussed the introduction, understanding LHS and RHS, solving equations by trial and error method, and the previous class, solving equations without transposing method we have discussed. Okay, so today we are going to discuss solving equations by transposing method. Okay, solving equations by transposing method. And yesterday we have discussed solving equations without transposing method. Okay, solving equations without transposing method we have discussed. So now exercise 2, solving equations by transposing method. See, all of you see the textbook exercise 2. Yesterday we have completed first bit problems without transposing method. Okay, so I have given some homework, some problems I have given homework. Have you all done your homework? Okay, children, very good. Now second bit, so all of you listen carefully. This second bit is very, very important. In your higher classes, this method, okay, this method is very important. So all of you listen carefully. See here, what is asking here? Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. By transposing the terms. Yesterday we have discussed when we transpose the terms from LHS to RHS. So what will happen? Plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes division quantity, and division quantity becomes into quantity. Okay, so this table is very, very important, children. So if you are perfect with this table, then you can solve the equations by transposing method very easily. Okay, so in yesterday's class we have discussed with examples. Okay, how plus quantity becomes minus quantity, like that. So all of you now listen carefully. Second bit. See, the first question is given 2 plus y is equal to 7 is given. Okay, 2 plus y is equal to 7. So this equation we have to solve by transposing method. Okay, so let us see how to solve it. So all of you look at the board. Exercise 2. Exercise 2, second bit, first question. Given what is the given equation? 2 plus y is equal to 7 is given, right? 2 plus y is equal to 7. So by transposing method, we have to solve this equation, right? So let us see how to solve it. So solving equation is nothing but what I told you yesterday. Solving equation is nothing but we have to find the value of the given variable. We have to find the value of the given variable. Okay. So variable is nothing but any alphabet. A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z like that. Okay. So here in this equation, what is the variable? The variable is Y. It means we have to find this value of Y. Okay. We have to find this value of Y. So to find this value of Y, so extra what is there? 2 extra is there now. Okay, here 2 extra is there. So if there is no 2, directly we can say y is equal to 7. But here 2 extra is there. So we have to, this 2 we have to send this side. So while sending this 2 from this side to this side, first of all we have to see whether this 2 is plus 2 or minus 2. Clearly we know that it is plus 2. Okay. So it means this plus 2 we have to send this side. While sending this 2 from LHS to RHS, first of all remember that this RHS value should write as it is. Okay, in RHS 7 is there, no? So this RHS value should write as it is. After writing this RHS value as it is, then left side value you have to send right side. Okay, now here plus 2 is there. Now this plus 2 send this side, it becomes minus 2. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed plus quantity becomes minus quantity. While transposing the terms from LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes minus quantity. So here plus 2 is there. So when we send this side, it will become minus 2, right? Now y is equal to 7 minus 2, how much? 5, isn't it? So we got the y value. So y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given equation. So, okay, solution we have got. Again, what he said check whether our solution is correct or wrong. Okay, so now we are going to check. Checking means verifying whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, now to verify that, this y value substitute in the given equation. Substitute y is equal to 5 in the given equation. Okay, so substitute y value, y is equal to 5 in the given equation. What is the given equation? 2 plus y is equal to 7, no? Okay, the given equation is 2 plus y is equal to 7. Okay. First of all, you take LHS. Okay, LHS. So what is LHS? 2 plus y. That is equal to 2 plus y. Y value, how much we have got? 5.
5.
So in the place of y, you write 5. How much 2 plus 5 is equal to? 7. Okay, LHS value we have got 7. Now find RHS. RHS value, how much is there? What is RHS? RHS means right side value. How much is there? RHS value also 7 is there. So now LHS is equal to RHS or not? LHS is equal to RHS. So like this, if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then our solution is right. Okay. So this is called verification or checking. So when we get LHS equal to RHS, then only this our solution is right. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay, children, have you all understood this problem? Okay, very good. Next, now see the second question. Now see the second problem. Second problem is given 2a minus 3 is equal to 5 is given. Okay. So it is given that 2a minus 3 is equal to 5 is given. So let us see how to solve this problem. Second question, given 2a minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, 2a minus 3 is equal to given 7. So here what is the variable? The variable is a here. Okay, variable is nothing but any alphabet. Okay, the variable is a here. It means we have to find the value of this a. Okay, we have to find the value of this variable a. Okay, so to find this value of a, here minus 3 extra is there and 2 extra is there. Okay, so minus 3 and 2 we have to send that side. Okay, if there is no minus 3 and 2, directly we can say a is equal to 7. But here minus 3 extra is there and 2 also extra is there. So these two numbers we have to send that side. So let us see how. First of all, this minus 3 send this side. 2a keep here only. Minus 3 send this side. So first of all, this RHS number should write as it is 7. And when this minus 3 send this side, what will it become? It becomes plus 3. Okay, minus quantity becomes plus quantity. No. When we send the minus quantity from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus quantity. Okay. Yes, Rajita, Tola Rajita. Please unmute yourself. Tola Rajita. Rajita,
Hello, sir.
what is your doubt? You raise your hand.
No, sir. No, sir.
I can't hear your voice.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay. The question is wrong written, no? Right. Okay. Okay, children. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. Actually, here 5 should be okay. In the question, 5 is given. Okay, right. Now, see here. First of all, minus 3 send this side. Okay, so 2a keep here only. When this minus 3 send this side, here 5 is there. 5 right as it is. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, so 2a is equal to 5 plus 3. How much it is? 8. Okay, again 2 extra is there here. This 2 also send this side. So while sending this 2 from this side to this side, so see the relation between 2 and a. Here 2a is there. 2a means 2 into a. Okay, 2a means 2 into a. It means here 2 is multiplying now. So when we send this side, it will divide. Why? Because into quantity becomes division quantity. So when this 2 send this side, it will divide. It means 8 by 2. So when we simplify this, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. It means what is a value? A value is equal to 4 we got. Okay, solution we have got. Now check the result. Check. First of all, you take LHS. LHS how much is there? 2a minus 3 LHS value. Okay, 2a minus 3 is the LHS value. So let us say 2a. 2a means 2 into a, no? 2 into a value. A value how much we got? 4. So in the place of a, write 4 minus 3. How much we get? 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 how much? 5. So LHS value we have got 5. Now see the RHS. What is RHS value? RHS value also 5 is there. No? It means LHS and RHS both are same. No? So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, when we get LHS is equal to RHS, then only our solution is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay, children? Right. So let us see the next question. Okay, see children, 10 minus q is equal to 6 given. 10 minus q is equal to 6. Okay. 10 minus q is equal to 6 given. So let us see how to solve it. Third question. Given 10 minus q is equal to 6 given children. So here what extra is there? And first of all, what is the variable? Q is the variable. Very good. Q is the variable. It means we have to find the q value. Okay. So to find q value, here what extra is there? 10 extra is there. So this 10 we have to send this side. So here not only q is there, minus q is there. So minus q write as this, and this 10 send this side. First of all, this 6 write as this, and this 10 plus 10 is minus 10 it is. It is plus 10 or minus 10? It is plus 10. Okay. So when this plus 10 send this side, what will happen? It becomes minus 10. Okay. So minus q is equal to 6 minus 10 how much? Minus 4. 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4. See here, both side minus symbol get cancelled. Now what is q value? Q is equal to 4. So solution q is equal to 4. Now check the result. Check LHS. What is LHS? 10 minus q. 10 minus q. So 10 minus q. What is q value? 4 no. Q in the place of q write 4. So 10 minus 4 how much? 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So LHS value we have got 6. Now RHS. What is RHS value? This is RHS, no? So RHS also 6 is there. So we got same value, no? LHS is equal to RHS. Right, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, children? Right. In the same way, now let us see what problems are there. Okay, see the children. Problem 4th and 5th you do, children. Same as this. 4th and 5th homework. Okay. Fourth and fifth problems are homework. Now see the sixth problem. Sixth problem is given 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35 given. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. So let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, see, sixth problem. Given 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35 given. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to, bracket means into, no. So 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35 given. So bracket means here into. So first of all multiply by 5 this bracket values. Okay. So first of all multiply by 5. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Okay. First of all multiply with x 5 and again next multiply by 4. Okay. So 5 into x 5x plus 5 into 4 20. 5 4s are 20. That is equal to 35. Okay. So here what is the variable? X is the variable. Very good. X is the variable. So this x value we have to find out. To find this x value, here what numbers extra is there? 20 and 5, isn't it? So the extra numbers are 20 and 5. So we have to send these two numbers this side. If there is no 20 and 5, directly we can say x is equal to 35. But here extra numbers 20 and 5 is there. So first of all we have to send them that side. So first of all this plus 20 send this side. 5x keep here only. Plus 20 send this side. This side already 35 is there. That 35 write as it is. And when this plus 20 send this side, it becomes minus 20. Okay. And see here 5x is equal to 35 minus 20. How much? 35 minus 20, 15. Okay. Again, 5 also send this side. 5 also extra is there, no? So 5 also send this side. So when this 5 send this side, what will happen? X is equal to, see children, here only many students are confusing. 5x means we have to see the relation between 5 and x. Both are together. Right. So 5x means 5 into x here. Okay, 5 into x, it means 5 is multiplying here. So when we send this side, it will divide. So 15 by 5, right? So here 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. It means x is equal to how much we have got? 3. So the solution of the given equation is x is equal to 3. Now check. Take LHS. What is LHS? 5 into x plus 4 is the LHS. Now in this LHS, substitute x value. X value how much we have got? 3. So in the place of x you write 3. 3 plus 4. So 5 into 3 plus 4, 7. How much 5 into 7? 35. LHS value we have got 35. Now take RHS. RHS how much is there? RHS also we have 35. It means LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then only our solution is right. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay, children? Right. Now see the next problem. See the next problem. Minus 3x is equal to 15 is there. Minus 3x is equal to 15. Okay. So here many children will confuse here. So look, listen carefully. Minus 3x is equal to 15 given, no? Seventh question. Given minus 3x is equal to 15 is given. Okay. So here we have to, what is the variable here? The variable is here x. Okay, x is the variable. So we have to find this value of x. To find this value of x, here minus 3 extra is there, no? So minus 3 extra is there. So we have to send this side. This minus 3 we have to send this side. Okay. So when this minus 3 send this side, what will happen? When this minus 3 send this side, what will it become? So once all of you, Rajanesh Sharma, please unmute yourself. Rajanesh Sharma,
Sir.
can you hear my voice, Rajanesh Sharma?
Yes, sir.
When this minus 3 send this side, what will it become?
Sir, it will become plus 3, sir. Means positive.
I can't hear your voice.
Sir. Sir, now?
Sir, their voice not appearing. Rajanesh Sharma, can you once speak out?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir. Sir.
Okay, now okay. Now this minus 3 send this side, what will it become?
Sir, plus 3.
It becomes plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rajanesh Sharma told that when this minus 3 send this side, it becomes plus 3. Okay. So how many members will agree with this answer? Rajanesh Sharma have told that when this minus 3 send this side, it becomes plus 3. So how many members are agreeing with this answer? Please raise your hand. Those who are agreeing with his answer, please raise your hand. Okay. Some students are not agreeing. They are not raising their hands. Okay. Here, one boy, Ola Rajita, is not agreeing with the Rajanesh Sharma answer. So let him ask why he is not agreeing. So
Sir, Kai is agreeing.
Anusri, okay, children. So almost okay. Tolla Rajita, please unmute yourself. Tolla Rajita. Okay, children. Right. Almost all are raising their hands.
Yes, sir.
So when that minus 3 send that side, LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 3. Okay, this is your concept. But no, children, you are all wrong.
Wrong.
You are all wrong. Why? Because see here. See, Rajanesh Sharma told that minus 3 here extra is there. When this minus 3 send this side, it becomes plus 3. Okay. But it is absolutely wrong. It is what I said. When we are sending the terms from LHS to RHS, we have to see the relation between. We have to see the relation between the two
Yes,
terms.
sir.
Here minus 3x is given. So what is the relation between minus 3 and x? Minus 3x means minus 3 into x, no? Minus 3x means minus 3 into x. It means minus 3 here, what is happening here? It is multiplying, isn't it? So when this minus 3 send this side, it will divide. You understand? Minus 3x means it is minus 3x. Okay, when this, it means minus 3 is multiplying here. When we send this side, it will divide. So x is equal to 15 by minus 3. But don't think here minus 3 is there. When this minus 3 send this side become plus 3.
Sir, one doubt
Okay, sir.
regarding this, sir.
When it will become plus 3 means, so let us see here.
Sir,
If
sir.
it is like this, minus 3 plus x is equal to 15. If it is see,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if we observe, see, if we observe here minus x is another term. Both are different. Between them, symbol is there. It means x is the another term. In them plus symbol is there. It is minus 3 and x. So in this case, when this minus 3 send this side, it becomes plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why? Because here there is no relation between minus 3 and x. Why? Because minus 3 is the different term, x is the different term. Here this middle plus symbol is dividing these two terms, minus 3 and x. Minus 3x both together is there. Okay? So something relation we have, that is into minus 3x means minus 3 into x. So when
Okay,
minus
sir.
multiplying, when we send this side, we will divide. Right? So
Okay, sir.
when we simplify it, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. It means x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? 5 or minus 5? Minus 5.
Minus 5.
X is equal to,
Because we are divided. We are
why? Because
multiplying with minus 3.
then no. Okay, you have to consider minus symbol as. So x is equal to minus 5.
Sir, sir,
Yes,
sir, one doubt regarding this, sir.
yes.
Sir, if it is into no, sir, in the minus 3 position, if the division symbol is based, how can we see it, sir? If division symbol is kept.
Okay, suppose like this is there. Minus 3 divided by x equal to 15 is there.
Yes,
This only
sir.
your doubt.
Yeah, sir.
Right. See here, minus 3 divided by x means what is the meaning of this
Sir, the
minus 3
sign will be given.
It means minus 3 by x no.
Yes, sir.
By x. So here x is dividing. X is dividing. So when this x is sent to this side, it will multiply. It
Okay,
means
sir.
what will it become? Minus 3 is equal to 15 into x.
X.
Here x is dividing. So when we set this side, it will multiply. Division quantity becomes into quantity now. 15 into x like that.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Okay, sir.
Now solution we have got x is equal to 5. Right? Now check whether it is correct or wrong. Check. Check. So take LHS. So what is LHS? LHS is equal to minus 3x. LHS is equal to minus 3x. So minus 3x means minus 3 into x. X value how much is there? Minus 5 is there. So first of all, minus into minus plus 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15 plus 15. Okay, LHS value we have got plus 15. And now take RHS. What is RHS value? RHS value also 15 is there. Okay, LHS value 15, RHS value also 15. It means LHS is equal to RHS. Remember that when LHS is equal to RHS, then only our solution is right. Otherwise, it is wrong.
Wow.
Okay, children.
Sir, please tell me once again this problem.
Yes. Yes, plus it is plus 15. This is also plus 15. If there is no symbol, means it is plus symbol only. Okay. Right. Now
Sir, time up.
time up.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, children. Now see. See this 8th problem and 9th problem. Both are same, similar problems. Tell which problem shall I explain? Which problem you will do?
Sir, ninth problem you explained, sir. Eighth problem you will do, sir.
Okay, I will explain the 8th problem. You do the 9th problem. Same as it is. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Right. So you see the 8th problem, it is given 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 is given. So let us see here both sides the variable is given. So whenever given both sides the variable, how to solve it? Let us see the solution. Observe carefully. These type of problems are there in 8th class, 8th, 9th, 10th. In your higher classes, these simple equations are very useful. Okay, so understand carefully. Now see here, the 8th problem it is given. The 8th problem it is given 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 is given. Okay. So in this, whenever given two variables on both sides, here see here the x term given and here also x term is there. Okay. So first of all the x terms you send left side. Why? Because here the variable is x now. So every time the variable should be left side only. X is equal to something. X is equal to 5, x is equal to 10. We will write like this. So to write like that, every time remember that variable term should be left side. Okay. And constant numbers should send right side. Yes, the minus 3 is the constant number, no? So constant number should be right side. Means remember that all the variables should be left side and all the constant numbers should be right side. Now let us see one by one send here. See, first of all, variable terms. X terms you send left side. Left side one x term of 5x is there. So 5x right as this. And here this plus 3x you send this side. Plus 3x it becomes minus 3x. Okay. In middle what symbol is there? Equal symbol. Right? Equal symbol as this. Now constant numbers send right side. Okay, right side already one constant number is there, that is minus 5. So minus 5 right as this. And here left side one constant number is there that is minus 3. So this minus 3 send this side. Becomes plus 3. Now see here, all x terms sent left side and constant numbers we send right side. So like this, whenever given two variables, we have to separate them like this. Okay. Now simplify them. 5x minus 3x, how much? 5 minus 3 is equal to no. In the same way, 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. Okay. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. Is equal to. And here minus 5 plus 3 is there. Minus 5 plus 3 means 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 how much? Minus 2. Why? Because here bigger number have minus symbol. So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Right? Now this 2 again extra is there. Send this side. Now tell this 2 what will it become when this becomes minus 2? Just now I told you 2x means 2 into x. Here 2 is multiplying. Okay, when we send this side it will divide. So minus 2 by 2. Right? So 2 ones are 2, here 2 ones are 2. Means x is equal to how much? Minus 1. Okay. X is equal to minus 1. X value we have got minus 1. Now check the result. Check. Take LHS first. LHS is equal to, what is LHS? It is 5x minus 3 is the LHS. 5x minus 3. Now 5x means 5 into x, no? So 5 into x value how much we have got? Minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 and minus 3. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus symbol also is there. Minus 5 and minus 3. How much minus 5 and minus 3? It is equal to minus 8. So LHS value we have got minus 8. Now let us see RHS. RHS is equal to, what is RHS here? 3x minus 5. Okay. So 3x means 3 into x value, how much we have got? Minus 1. So 3 into minus 1, minus 5. So here 3 into minus 1, 3 1 are 3, minus symbol also is there, minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5, how much? Minus 8. So did we get LHS equal to RHS? Yes, LHS value we have got minus 8, and also RHS also we have got minus 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. So like this, when we get LHS is equal to RHS, then only our solution is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay, children. Again, 2 more problems are there. So that 2 more problems you complete them and see the last problem. Last problem, see, it is same like the 6th problem. How in 6th problem we multiplied by 5. So here also same, first multiply by 3 this side. Again this right side multiply by 5. After multiplying, same like 8th question you solve it. Okay children? Right, this exercise is completed. And the next class we will discuss